Kalihasi P. currently pursuing final year B.ComPA in Dr. SNSRCAS College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. I'm going to explain article about agriculture. Agriculture of farming is the practice of cultivating plants and livestock. Agriculture was the key development in the rise of sedentary human civilization, whereby farming of domesticated species created food surpluses that enabled people to live in cities. The history of agriculture began thousands of years ago. After gathering wild grains beginning at least 1,05,000 years ago, nascent farmers began to plant them around 11,000 years 500 years ago. Pigs, sheep, and cattle were domesticated over 10,000 years ago. Plants were independently cultivated in at least 11 regions of the world. Industrial agriculture based on large-scale monoculture in the 20th century came to dominate agricultural output, though about 2 billion people still depended on subsistence agriculture. The major agricultural products can be broadly grouped into foods, fibers, fuels, and raw materials such as rubber. Food classes include cereals, grains, vegetables, fruits, oil, meat, milk, eggs, and fungi. Over one third of world's workers are employed in agriculture, second only to service sector. Although in recent decades, the global trend of the decreasing number of agricultural workers continues, especially in developing countries, whereby smallholding is begun overtaken by industrial agriculture and mechanization that brings an enormous crop yield increase. Modern agronomy, plant breeding, agrochemicals such as pesticides and fertilizers, and technological developments have sharply increased crop yields but cause ecological and environmental damage. Selective breeding and modern practices in animals husbandry have similarly increased the output of meat but have raised concerns about animals' welfare and environmental damage. Environmental issues includes contributions to global warming, depletions of aquifers, deforestation, antibiotic resistance, and other agricultural pollutions. Agricultural is both a cause of and sensitive of environment degradation such as biodiversity loss, desertification, soil degradation, and global warming, all of which can use decreases in crop yield. Genetically modified organisms are widely used, although some are banned in certain countries. Agriculture with its oil sectors is unquestionably the largest livelihood provider in India. More so in the vast rural areas, it also contributes a significant figures to the gross domestic product (GDP). Sustainable agriculture in terms of food security, rural employment, and the environmental sustainable technologies such as soil conversion, sustainable natural resource management, and biodiversity protection are essential for holistic rural development. Indian agriculture and oil activities have witnessed a green revolution, a white revolution, a yellow revolution, and a blue revolution. This section provides the information on agricultural produces, machineries, research, etc. Detailed information on the government policies, schemes, agriculture loans, market price, animal husbandry, fisheries, horticulture, loans and credits, secticulture, etc. is also available. Thank you.